Place is Melbourne's newest attraction, housed at Crown.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we're going to be checking out Happy Place, which is officially opening to the public tomorrow. But I'm going to like a media preview, which I'm so excited. So I'm going to be checking it out with Jo. I'm just waiting for her, and then we'll go make our way. I believe it's just down there.
Alright, some of you guys might be wondering what is Happy Place. It's basically a pop art installation at Melbourne Crown. So it's basically very Instagram worthy. That's basically all I can really say. I mean, just look at this place. It's so visually pleasing, so bright and colourful. Highly recommend you guys check this out if you guys get a chance.
2, 3.
Okay, so Jo and I are already like really going through some of the exhibits, and it's so much fun. So one of the guys just helped us with this, and it was just so much fun. I'll try and insert a few clips for you guys.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Are you having fun, Jo?
Yes, like surprisingly, it is really a happy place.
If you do go, make sure you guys pack a charger, because your camera or your phone's basically going to die because you're going to be snapping so many photos. And don't worry, people are there to help you take photos as well.
Please come out, so feel free to play around with them as much as you like. All the actual shot chips.
Oh, they come out. Oh, wonderful.
So feel free to have as much fun as you like.
Now, obviously I went to the media preview, so there's some food. I don't actually think there's food included in your tickets. Now, the tickets range from $29 to $19.90, something like that. I believe adults closer to $30 mark, and then $20 for the kids. But yeah, I think it's really worth it. I mean, there's so many things you can do in there, and just it's so fun. I mean, look at this. I look like I'm in a freaking music video. I felt like I was Beyonce or J-Lo in this one. And then, you know, slow-mo.
4, 3.
Alright guys, so Jo and I are finished at Happy Place. We're now at a tram stop. We're going to go to a place called Seoul Bong. I think it's like a sandwich place, like a Korean place somewhere in the CBD. I'm starving. I think you're hungry too. So we're gonna make our way there and have a bit of a feast. Alright, so there it is. So this is along Healy's Lane. We'll just try and zoom in for you guys. So Seoul Toast Bong.
Okay, let's talk about the food. So we've got some kimchi chips. I've also got, well actually this is Jo's sandwich. She had the beef bulgogi with cheese. I had the bacon, egg and cheese sandwich. We also had the local Korean drink. So I got the grape, Jo got the peach, I believe.
Oh, what is up guys? It's been a couple of days. It's now Saturday. Yeah, week has been quite busy and I've just been really tired. Anyway, so we ended up on the news. Here's a little clip.
Place is Melbourne's newest attraction, housed at Crown.
I feel like I'm in a music video.
Do you ever get sick of taking photos?
No, never.
Never?
Never ever.
Very quick, so the reporter's name is Alan Ruskell, I think. Channel 9, so I ended up on the evening news with Jo. So that was really, really cool. The interview itself actually was a few seconds longer than that. Like there was a couple of questions when we were doing it at the Happy Place, but the clips were only short, which I kind of expected. But yeah, it was really, really cool that we got to do that. Anyway, it is the weekend and I'm glad I have nothing planned social media wise in work. I have a really bad habit of really overpacking my week and yeah, I just end up being really burnt out. So this is my first weekend in quite some time that I just have nothing on, except for maybe filming a couple of things, which is absolutely fine. I don't mind that because it's just at home. I don't really have to be very social, if that makes sense. I don't know, as I've gotten older, I've kind of not been so social. But anyway, that is pretty much it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to check out Happy Place, if you guys live in Melbourne, check out the description box down below. I'll have a link to their website. I believe they're going to be here until the end of January, so you guys have plenty of time to go. Anyway, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.